Generalized malaise. Generalized malaise. Imagine you have a favorite toy and one day it just doesn't feel right. It might be a little bit broken or just not working like it usually does. You might feel sad, tired, or just not yourself. Generalized malaise is when someone feels really tired, achy, and not well all over their body, just like that toy. It's not just one part that feels bad. It's like the whole body is saying, I need a break. People might feel weak, sleepy, or have a hard time doing things they usually enjoy. This feeling can happen for many reasons, like being sick, not getting enough sleep, or even feeling a little sad. It's a sign that the body needs some extra care and rest. So, to summarize, generalized malaise means feeling tired and not well all over the body, like when a toy isn't working right. It can happen for different reasons.